Alright guys, I'm back. Here's take 2 of a beautiful day here in Hawaii. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon and we're cruising along, probably about 30 miles an hour, give or take a few. It's a beautiful day to be alive again. And once again, we're cruising at a really great altitude right now. And I'm just looking around. We're actually at the edge of the island, getting ready to go out further at sea. And we don't have really much further to go. We're going to be all the way in the Pacific Ocean, no more island. It's probably about another, I would say about 2 or 3 minutes. We're going to be all the way across. Once you get a really good view of everything and see, kind of look. And straight ahead there, you can see a guy that works here that's really clowning, and he's been like that the whole time we've been on the boat. He's wearing the black shirt. He's the clownster, probably the clownster of the crew. Also, you can see ahead a little personal boat that's coming ashore, coming towards our direction. Yes. See right there? Zoom in. This wave, the boat just came by. Say aloha, everyone. Yeah. Yeah, we're almost at the tip of the island, everyone, as you can see. We don't have much more to go. Turn around this way to see that side of the ship. There's the American flag, one right there. Spin back around to see that side of the boat. And here's all the people. This is, like I said, it's a really beautiful day. There's probably about, I would say about 100 people on the boat today. The weather can't be much better than this. The beautiful overcast, light clouds. We probably won't get any rain today, I don't think, but there's the boat's pretty, like I said, the people on here are very well behaved, and no crazy tourists today. I'm having a great time. The sun's peeking back out of the clouds, as you can see. And the mountaintop is beautiful, beautiful. All right, we're getting closer and closer, guys, to the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk down towards the bottom of the boat and kind of let you see what it looks like down there. Then I'm gonna come back up to the top. You can see also what I'm going down to the bottom. So this is what the bottom half of the boat looks like. Nice crowd of people here today, here in Hawaii. Here's our lovely bartender today. What's your name, ma'am? Here's our lovely bartender here today on the cruise. Say hi. It's a nice little boat. I just wanted to give you guys an idea what it looks like. So this is the bottom of the cruise. We're going back up top and you can see better what's going on. So, going back up. Okay, I'm signing off for the day. So you guys have got a really good idea what the boat looks like. It's a mid-sized cruise ship. Yeah, I got it. I got really good balance. I got good balance. So it's a really good day out here to be alive. So I'm just showing you guys a good idea what it looks like. It's a really good day. It's beautiful, very sunny. Like I said, the sky's starting to clear out. And I'm gonna sign off. And this is take 2. All right. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hope to see you guys soon. Take care.